Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can install and use Firefox browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. On Mac, we get Safari browser as the default browser. However, if you want a secondary browser, then you can install Firefox. To install it, open Safari browser and visit firefox.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Now simply download the installer file for macOS. And here you can see it's downloading. Once downloaded, open it. Here we have the installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Drag Firefox icon to Applications folder and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, close the installer. And here you get the installer file. If you want, you can remove it. Now to open it, click on Apps option. Here look for Firefox, or else you can simply search for Firefox and open it. Click on Open and set up the browser. Now to make it a default browser, open System Settings. Here click on Desktop and Dock. Scroll down, look for Widgets section. And here you will find the option to select default browser. Click on the drop-down icon and select Firefox. Now Firefox is the default browser on your macOS. So that's it. This is how you can install and use Firefox browser on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.